Well, speaking of gorgeous, in between the rain showers and at times being pelted by GRAUPEL, we got to see some sunshine. And could you feel the difference when the sun came out? The sun is starting to actually feel warmer now. That's some good news.
Power. I like the power of the sun today. Matt, your word, it goes off our beg for funds for the APL. Compassion. I know our viewers have a lot of it. We hear from them on a regular basis in our 3 News Facebook site. That they're filled with compassion, so you can throw that into your weathercast somehow.
Yeah, for sure. You know, meteorologists here in Cleveland always begging for compassion from our viewers as well, based on the forecast. So,
especially this time of year.
Yeah, this time of year especially. Yeah, we're kind of hanging on to it. Did you get some GRAUPEL today? We had some real decent downpours mixed with the GRAUPEL. That's those Dippin' Dots that we had falling across the area today. Even had some rumbles of thunder. Even within the last hour had some thunder. This sent in from my sister, TJ, out of the Mogador area. You can see falling on the beautiful landscape they have down there at her home. All right, big picture across the country. Not much going on, right? Look at the big picture. It's quiet out west, quiet down towards the south where they need it. And then you have this huge monster storm system that just continues to spin across the upper Midwest. And you just look at it on the water vapor. I could watch this all day as it just continues to spin and spin and spin. But notice the last couple hours here, actually the last 24 hours, it's starting to head down to the south and the west. That tells you this is going to have some staying power as it continues to swirl around the Midwest. And this is what happens when you have an April atmosphere out there where you get the warming on the ground and cold air aloft. You get this bubble up nature on the radar, and just look at how it's blossomed throughout the day. A lot of this is going to go away after sunset as it's being diurnally driven, as we call it. But you can see down in Kansas City, yeah, they're dealing with the same pattern that we have here with a shower. The sun comes out, a shower, sun comes out, and that's going to be the pattern tomorrow across northeast Ohio. We were just getting into it today. Tomorrow we're going to be in the thick of it. Once we get some daytime heating, we'll see those bubble up showers, and yeah, we'll have some GRAUPEL in there as well. Pretty good push out towards Ashtabula County right now. No lightning in the last 15 minutes with this, but likely some of those little ice balls falling near the Jefferson area down towards Orwell. That extends with another little section heading into Suffield right now. And then even down in areas near Massillon heading into Canton right now, North Canton. This is going to be your second bout with perhaps some GRAUPEL today. Not expecting a whole lot in terms of thunder from here on out as we've lost that peak daytime heating. But temperatures depends. And if you get the rain, you have temperatures that get knocked down to the 40s. It brings that cold air down to the surface. When that sun comes back out, you're back up into the 50s. How about that? So the big picture, look ahead. This thing's going to swirl across the Great Lakes. Notice the uptick as we go through the daytime. Tomorrow, it'll fade tomorrow night, and then we start to mix in some snow. Your National Zymart Hour by our forecast has a quiet picture tomorrow morning, but tomorrow during the afternoon, have some compassion for Mother Nature. She's had a long winter around here, and she's going to be cranky at best tomorrow afternoon as we continue with that colder pattern. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast, 48 tomorrow, all the better will do. You notice how we're kind of stuck in the cold the next couple days. And then we're back up into the 70s next week. You know what? Tomorrow doesn't look right. I've got clouds, sun peaks. Let's just say what it is. Downpours, GRAUPEL, thunder, breezy. We've just got everything coming our way tomorrow. So just best to stay inside and close the blinds tomorrow.
That is exactly what we talked about. Matt's like, just watch, I'm going to do it. So he's slammed it all in there. We're like, all weather is happening tomorrow.
Everything tomorrow.
There it is.
Just no tornadoes. That's good. So.
Well done,
sunshine.
Matt.
Yeah,
well
thanks.
done. Thank you so much.